Hi there guys, this is the Average Joe, and in today's video I want to talk to you about how you can find out what code you have on your Opel Corsa C or similar aged Opels without needing a scan tool. I am going to make this video because I had an error. I'm going to put it now on the screen. Now guys, that you have seen what error I've got from my car, from my car's dashboard, I'm going to show you how you can actually read a code from your car without a scan tool, and I'm actually going to tell you what's happening with my little Corsa, because I actually found out very easily. Now let me grab the camera and show you how you can find out what codes your car is showing. So guys, in order to read the codes from your dashboard, in this Opel Corsa C, what you need to do is, first of all, take the key out of your ignition. I know it's night, you will not really see very much. I've put on the headlights just so you can see my dashboard. So first of all, take your key. Now press all the way down your acceleration and your brake pedal. Put your key in the ignition and turn it in the second position, just like this. And now you will see the engine light here starting to flash. Let's do this again. And as you will see it flash, a certain number of times, then a little pause, then continue. See? Now, in my case, it reads 1616. I only have one code, and that is for actually, it's telling me it has a loose connection in the dashboard. Following these steps, if you have more codes, after each code there will be a slight pause, then it will continue to flash. And this is all you have to do. It's very simple. Well guys, thanks for watching. I really hope this helped you, and it gave you the opportunity to read the codes on your Opel without needing a scan tool. Obviously, with a scan tool you can do a more in-depth scan and find out more. In my case, I only have one code, and this is for a loose connection in my dashboard. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.